Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many top cryptos have just tumbled in price with one of the worst crashes I've seen in a long time. Whether this is for Bitcoin, crypto, SPX, or just commodities in general, now is definitely not a great time to sort of be within these very high risk sort of volatile markets. And people that did buy in quite late during the market, and we've seen the black swan fly in now, being this tariff event, which has of course created massive fear within the SPX, within Bitcoin, within these environments. It's not great to see. And it's really quite a horrible thing to see with, this sort of technology, this blockchain technology being nullified by these extraneous variables that just cannot be controlled, because in my opinion, things should be looking better than what they do right now. If you zoom out 1 year ago, 2 years ago, to be honest, we are in a great place. And when Bitcoin was $23,000, we would have wished so hard for a $77,000 Bitcoin. But unfortunately, we have seen this downside, and I don't know if we'll bounce. I know we are getting close to these sort of critical support levels, such as where we are now, between $80,000 and $72,000 is very critical, very integral. But we are also seeing some things flash up here on TradingView that, has made me actually very, very bullish. For example, just to quickly show you guys something here, we can see Ethereum has hit a relative strength index, which is so low. We've not seen Ethereum hit this low RSI since June 2022, December 2018. March 2025, we can see the Ethereum RSI is coming down so much. So this relative strength index right here has really crashed and tumbled quite a lot, which for me is actually a buying indicator. And I did buy more Ethereum based on this. You can see ETH is 1.5K. I bought yesterday, I bought a bunch of ETH at 1.55K. So I'm down a little bit right now, but I personally believe ETH will go back to 2.5 or 3K. So yeah, just to quickly, have a look at things, we can see 77.1K on the Bitcoin, 1.53 trillion on the market cap for Bitcoin. We have seen a lot wiped away from the blockchain market. $100,000 is a number that we can only wish for once again. $2.44 trillion on the market cap. We have 17 on the fear and greed index, so very fearful markets. We can see that we're sitting at 2.44 trillion, and $3.71 trillion market cap is where the blockchain market was. So we've just erased so much from these markets. It's absolutely disgusting. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is absolutely disgusting. So what else we got? BLX chart. We're still sitting in the top ribbon here on the BLX chart. We've just fallen out of the red area. This red area is your sort of bull market euphoria window, and now we're falling back down into a more of a neutral, fearful environment. We're not in the true bear market prices. I do think when we do hit the true bear market prices, we will see 45K Bitcoin, 35K Bitcoin, if we are super lucky for that dollar cost average and re-entry. But like I say, right now, we still don't know what the future entails. We could bounce here. We could see last time we had this similar pattern, this broadening descending channel like this, dun, 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 we came up, right? Well, we went up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we could still get the same thing maybe happen. I honestly don't know, because we went up, down, we've retested. So could up be a possibility? Could we go back to $100,000? That is exactly what I'm hoping will happen. I don't know if it will for sure happen, but it's something that's within my sort of mind, and it's something I'm speculating could happen because I'm trying to be positive in the market. So yeah, two very similar patterns are happening. Also, Jim Cramer predicted another 20% wild stock market crash from the current levels. So there's people out there that still think this can all tumble down further. Looking at the S&P 500, obviously on the last month, it's down massively. On the last 5 days, it's gone from 5,600 down to 5,073. Ethereum is obviously down on the month a lot as well, from 2.2K down to 1.5K. On the year, it's down from 4K to 1.4K, so it's down 60 to 70%. The crypto fear and greed index itself is sitting at 23. So we have extreme fear in the markets, and typically, one sec, ladies and gents. Typically, just so I don't eat my own lips because they're getting really dry. Typically, when we have extreme fear, you can see good opportunity to then sort of, go in, be a contrarian investor, be that kind of black sheep in the market and try to accumulate and make some big gains. But we still don't know how much lower it can all go. It can indeed all go down lower. And of course, you've got Donald Trump chilling whilst he's done this tariffs thing, whilst he's created this tariff that has shocked the global markets, and $10 trillion has been erased. Just chilling, playing golf, getting on with life, right? And so maybe we are going to see this come to the upside. And maybe we did just need that healthy correction. And I say healthy for Bitcoin, 30% is still in the territory of a healthy correction. So to be honest, I'm not really worried. I'm not really worried at all. If you guys are looking to unlock trading signals, do check out my Patreon down below where you can get a bunch of trading signals in my crypto Discord. You can see, look, whether the market is up, down or sideways, they are making some big gains. This could be you too, making more money from your laptop, phone, or wherever you are in the world. So please do check out the Patreon, like I say, and also sign up to KSEX crypto exchange. It's centralized, it's globally accessible, no KYC. If you're looking to trade cryptos out there, altcoins, leverage trade, buy meme coins, whatever it is, you're going to get the lowest fees in the market. I can quickly show you here. Look at this. The spot fees make a 0%, the taker fee 0%, the futures fees make 0%, taker 0.01%. So these fees will help you save thousands of dollars over time, of course. So that's about a wrap, ladies and gents. It's not the best market right now. Let's be honest. It is quite a horrible looking market. But what can we do? $100 Solana is ridiculous as well. I mean, this could be another one that I might be looking into buying more of recently, but honestly, we don't know how low these things can go. They can go back down to $60. They can go back down to $20. That's why you've got to do your portfolio sort of setting and management during the bear market, the true winter, where things are sideways for a good amount of time. Right now, we don't know if it's up or down, nor sideways. So it's still very unpredictable and very sort of, volatile. So yeah, stay safe out there, folks. Subscribe if you're new here. Hit the notification bell. Check out my Patreon as well, Jacob's Crypto Clan. Like I say, $4 a month will get you into the crypto degen role. We do actually have a token launching at the end of the month called Wagyu Cash. And what I will say is that crypto legends within there, they're going to get the contract address nice and early for the Wagyu Cash, earlier than the public, right? So if you do also want to take a shot at a new potential Solana meme coin gem, which could go wild, we're looking at hopefully 10 to 100x, not financial advice. Have a look at my Patreon or just get into my Discord and ask about it. And fingers crossed we'll see something special happen. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now and see you very soon. Peace.